What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the United Harmony Low in the chili red colorway. United is an independent footwear, accessory, and apparel brand that promotes love, unity, and friendship in all of their products. Basically, if you're looking for a brand that has very positive vibes, then United is the brand for you. So recently they released this Harmony Low silhouette, which was available for pre-order a few months back, but I finally got my pair in hand last week. So this pair retails for $185 US, which translates to roughly 235 Canadian, and the official colorway for this shoe is white and spicy chili red. So diving straight into the details, the entire upper of this shoe is basically constructed out of this tumbled white leather. On the toe box, we have this perforated heart right in the center, and then surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, we have another overlay of this tumbled leather. This leather covers the eyelets of the shoe and the quarter panel as well, and then pressed in the middle, we have United's signature handshake logo done in this red finish. Next to this, we have this side wing or flap, which again is also constructed out of that same white leather. And the cool thing about this flap is that it's not totally stitched down to the rest of the shoe, which means you can rock it with the flaps out or in. Surrounding the bottom of the back heel, we have this hit of red colored suede, and on the lateral side only, we have United's logo. Above this, we have more of that tumbled white leather, and we have the words Be United embroidered in the center in red, along with this red colored nylon pull tab. For laces, so these come standard with these flat white colored laces, but they also give you a secondary pair of red laces as well if you want some added pop and punch. Underneath this, we have this thin white colored nylon tongue, and in the very center we have the United word mark and their handshake logo once again. Moving on to the insoles, so these come with these foam padded insoles. It's finished in this red color on the top, and again we have the words Be United and the handshake logo pressed on in white on the back heel. So the upper of the Harmony Low sits atop this solid white colored rubber cupsole, and turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your outsole, and this is entirely done in this red colored rubber. And finishing off the look, we have the circular traction pattern on the forefoot and the back heel. So for those wondering about sizing, so I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and when I got these I had no idea how they would fit, and I assumed that they would fit like your normal Air Force One, but after trying these on they actually fit much more true to size. So I got these in a 9.5, which is a half size down, but I definitely should have stuck true to size, so long story short, if you're getting these, stick true to size. Next up, in terms of comfort, so these feel like any of your other retro styled shoes, so the majority of comfort is coming from that foam padded insole. So with that said, it's not going to be the softest and the most well-cushioned shoe out there, but just for everyday casual use, it's going to be perfectly fine. Last but not least, in terms of the overall quality and craftsmanship, from the material quality standpoint, I felt like the leathers were pretty good. It wasn't the absolute best, but it was definitely above average. The leather definitely had this nice thickness to it, and the suedes on the back, while they weren't super buttery and super soft, it also wasn't bad either. So with all that being said now, let's lace up these Harmony Lows and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. All in all, this is another solid drop from the folks over at United. Them being a very small independent business, it's kind of understandable why the price point on these shoes are a little bit higher than you would have expected. But if you're someone that likes venturing out and supporting small businesses, then definitely give them a look. I'll link their website, their social media, all that good stuff down below. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this chili red colored Harmony Low from United. What are your overall thoughts? What do you guys think about this? Let me know down below. I'm very curious to hear your thoughts. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at esco8, check me out on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. You can also check out my podcast called the Channel 8 Podcast. So the video version is hosted right here on my YouTube channel, but if you're looking for just the audio only version, then it's hosted on most of your major podcast platforms, including Spotify, iTunes, and Podbean. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the continued love and support. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.